You like that, Cali? Yes, you do. Oh my god, she's so fucking cute. Where's that cockabird at?
One's around right here.
Dog. Trouble. Get out of there.
And there's one under her collar.
Did you get the one underneath her paw or her leg, on the back side of it?
Not yet. Let's get this.
That one was really bad.
This one's I can't. I'm just trying to get her still.
Whoa!
Whoops.
Oh, here you go.
Quick. Okay.
Taking like whole chunks of fucking hair.
Now.
No more cockabirds for this fucking dog.
There was one more.
Yeah,
Ryan and I threw a ton of them in there the other day in the garbage.
She's gonna max that whole fucking thing or what?
Looks like it.
There.
Little Cali. World's funniest dog as well.
Yeah, usually dogs aren't that funny, but she is.
Oh, was that your toenail or was that a cockabird?
She's
Probably
eating.
toenail.
Did we get them all?
Should have seen her hopping around out there because of that thing on her fucking leg.
Is that it?
She's almost finished.
I need to put this vet's number in my fucking...
The new vet?
Nah, fuck that vet. I don't like them. Charge us $500.
Yeah, well, it's emergency room services.
Yeah, it would have been 10,000 if it was
Huh?
Delnor.